we are not even close to finishing it. We started and like the lockdown happened again. So really, FOMO Shots is something that's been bearing the brunt of the lockdown since last April, since last March actually.
ये जो आपका जो डायलॉग है ट्रेलर में, आई वाज कमिंग टू दैट नेक्स्ट, हम जैसी औरतें लड़ती है ताकि आपको ज्यादा लड़ना ना पड़े. आपकी लाइफ में कभी ऐसे सिचुएशन आया कि आपने ऐसी लड़ाई की और somebody else benefited from that situation, और किस सिस्टर का तो आपने बता दिया, आप लोग ने बेनिफिट किया, लेकिन आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशन आपने किया किसी और ने?
Russell, I think ये situations, as I said, ये बड़े डिसीजंस में फाइट्स होती हैं तो आपको दिख जाती हैं, लाइक पीपल नोटिस देम. बट छोटी छोटी चीजों में जो एक डेली बेसिस पे आप फाइट करते हैं फॉर योर ओन आइडेंटिटी, फॉर योर ओन फ्रीडम, अगेन फाइटिंग फॉर योर ओन फ्रीडम ऑफ मैं ऐसे जीना चाहती हूँ, यू नो, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विद माय लाइफ. Like even the decision of being an actor, like it was the first in my whole khandan, in my whole community maybe. And I mean, I was young then, you know, and to stand up and say that, I mean, thankfully I had a family, like especially my dad, you know, he never forced his ideas of what we should do with our lives in terms of careers on us, you know, but he had his own ideas in terms of the other aspect of a life, the personal life. So किसी का कोई इस मामले में sorted है, कोई उस मामले में अटका हुआ है. So everyone is, you know, is figuring it out, and I hope everyone's figuring it out. So in this matter, like I just told my parents that this is what I want to do, and I remember, except for my father, who readily almost agreed to, okay, fine. I said, give me 2 years. I want to, you know, see. I feel there's something for me here. There's a calling here, and I want to give it a try. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, then I'll not have regrets. You know, I would have tried. And he readily agreed. But I remember the rest of my family, my immediate family, and then my relatives, everyone had problems with my decision, you know, and because I was somebody who's like, I don't, you know, like, I don't care. Like, I don't have to explain myself to everybody. And we really don't have to. एक तो जो हमारा फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर जिस तरह से है, मतलब इसके रिलेशन के उसके वो, मतलब आप जिंदगी बिता देते हैं एक्सप्लेनिंग योरसेल्फ टू द होल खानदान, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई. एंड उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. लाइक टू पीपल हु रियली हैव, हु जेन्युइनली डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, एनी कंसर्न, यू नो, आप उनको बस एक्सप्लेन करते रह जाते हैं, जस्टिफाई करते रह जाते हैं. So I moved away from it. I said, I'm doing my thing, you know. But I think my dad, being the social person that he is, I mean, he's like, he knows unke, he just knows everybody. And that's the thing, Russell. The more leverage you give to people, कि हाँ भाई, you can, हाँ, कि आप मुझे बताओ ना, क्या आपको मेरी लाइफ से प्रॉब्लम है? अच्छा, आपको मेरी बेटी से प्रॉब्लम है? अच्छा, आपको इनके इस डिसीजन से प्रॉब्लम है? Tell me, I will explain to you. The more you allow that, the more people are, because people want gossip. People want to have a cup of chai and discuss your life as if it really matters, you know. So there are so many things, you know, come together. So I'm sure my dad had to bear the brunt of all this, but well, it was his choice. He could have been like, I do not need to explain me and my daughter's decisions to anybody. He could have made that choice. And I think he understood that eventually, you know, especially when my sister's thing happened, he realized that it's between me and my daughter. Why am I going around explaining to the world? Why is my daughter doing what she's doing, you know? So we all learn through our experiences, you know. And so, yeah, that was a big decision to kind of do this. And of course, there are people out there who get inspired from this. And I think over the years, being in my profession is not easy. You know, being an actress or a heroine is judged already. You know what I mean? So sticking to this decision and still doing what you have to, whether it's, you know, doing scenes which are intimate on the screen, which is again a big decision. Like, because मैंने तो कर दिया, but again, as I said, this line of answering and explanation just continues. And I will not explain myself to anybody, and my family matters to me, and that too to some extent now. Like, not every, I've also realized that family matters, and for them my happiness should matter. If they are really my family, they should be only bothered about one thing: are you happy where you are? If you are not happy, we will fight the world. If you are happy, it doesn't fucking matter. So it is, sometimes you think it's as simple as that, and yet we have like complicated it with so many things that, matlab, it's tiring to even think of the complex web that we have created around ourselves, and we are just stuck in. और फिर हमें लगता है it's like हम खुद create करते हैं. It's like मकड़ी का जाल. मकड़ी खुद create करती है, फिर वो खुद उसके बीच में अगर कभी फंस जाती है, then it's like who are you blaming? You created it.
तो मकड़ी,
you know.
Thank you for sharing that with us, Kirti. That was very nice of you to share that with us. And किसी को चाय के साथ गॉसिप करनी है तो मत कीजिए. इनकी मूवीज है, इनकी वेब सीरीज है ऑनलाइन, बड़ी अच्छी मूवीज है, बड़ी अच्छी वेब सीरीज है, वो देखिए चाय के साथ. गॉसिप में क्या चलिए, लाइक
फिर उसके बारे में गॉसिप करिए. मेरी सीरीज देखिए, फिर उसके बारे में गॉसिप करिए. देखिए, गॉसिप तो हम करेंगे, गॉसिप करना हमें बहुत पसंद है, वो तो हम करेंगे.
इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छा होगा. ठीक है. Coming to your characters, there's more than a few movies of yours that the way they have done, maybe they have concluded on a moment that has given the audience and has given the characters within that universe closure. But they also ripe for sequels. You see, even if you see Pink, you see Mission Mangal, because ISRO has done new missions. Even if the first movie, Khichdi, they are all ripe for sequels. Now, obviously, I know that is the maker's decision. लेकिन कभी आपके मन में आया कि हम इसकी कहानी और बढ़ा सकते हैं, ये कैरेक्टर मेरा और नया डायरेक्शन आ सकता है, कभी both as a character and somebody has watched the movie, आपके मन में ये आया है कभी?
मुझे ये खिचड़ी को लेके तो बहुत सीक्वल के बहुत थॉट्स उठते हैं, और I mean, I'm still in touch with JD, तो हम जब भी मिलते हैं we discuss what's happening on that. उसके अलावा मिशन मंगल, no, I never thought of it. Pink, I never thought of it. क्योंकि मैं personally ना, Russell, I'm not a very big fan of sequels. In this, unless something really like is doable and doable in a much better way in the sequel. मुझे कहानियाँ शुरू होके खत्म हो जाए ना, मुझे वो पसंद है. Like in terms of even as an audience when I watch series, मतलब मैं मुश्किल से एक सीजन के बाद पहुंच पाती हूँ. Unless something is terribly good, I'm very happy with, like, जैसे मुझे limited series बहुत पसंद है, मुझे फिल्में बहुत पसंद है, because it's just the story starts and it ends somewhere, ये जो season after season जो चीजें चलती रहती हैं, या sequel after sequel, मुझे ज्यादातर I'm not a big fan of it. And I mean, of course, seasons series का तो format ही वही है कि seasons पे seasons हो, but फिर अगर आप seasons करना चाहते हैं, sequels करना चाहते हैं, तो इतनी औकात रखिए कि उसको फिर ऐसा कुछ बनाइए कि लगे कि मतलब क्या बात है यार, you have outgrown like you have really outperformed or outmade the previous one. So yeah.
Okay, so ये थी हमारी शादीस्तान, and also
Shaitan. By the way, Shaitan is completing 10 years tomorrow, like 10th of June. It's completing 10 years. So yeah, you are not far from Shaitan.
Impact की वो आ ही जाती है.
Yeah, it's a.
Your other films, आपने उसको शेयर किया कि क्या हो सकते, क्या नहीं हो सकते. लेकिन main चीज, because everybody has been waiting for this, recently announcement भी हुआ था, I think 2 months ago if I'm not mistaken, कि it went on flows, FOMO Shots season 3. लेकिन उसके बाद फिर लॉकडाउन हो गई और फिर हम सब फिर से लॉक हो गए. तो उसका क्या possible development है, उसका क्या, when could we tentatively expect FOMO Shots season 3 to come, because everybody is waiting for it.
Next year, for sure, next year. We are not even close to finishing it. We started and like the lockdown happened again. So really, FOMO Shots is something that's been bearing the brunt of the lockdown since last April, since last March actually. So अब देखते हैं, जब लिखा हुआ है तब आएगा आपके पास. But अगर सब कुछ अभी ठीक चला तो no, you will have 4 more shots next year, maybe around this time.
It doesn't get go beyond that, वरना 8 more shots हो जाएगा. So, okay.
Which would be so bad actually.
Actually not bad considering we're all stuck over here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kirti. As always, a sport, and as always, so articulate with your thoughts. And as I said, Shadistan is looking like something that starts off breezily but leaves that punch that we always like to watch, that we expect from you. We expect from the artist that you are. तो ये थैंक यू, आप ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हमेशा लाती हो और हम ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके द्वारा देखने मिलता है और मंगल तक आपकी तारीफ होती रहेगी इन्हीं प्रोजेक्ट.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much, Jasper. It was wonderful chatting.